In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails on Outlook. If you've accidentally removed an email and want to get it back, don't worry. Outlook makes this process fairly simple, and in most cases, you can restore a deleted message in just a few moments. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to look for so you can recover your email quickly and with confidence. To begin, open Outlook on your device. This can be the desktop app or the web version, depending on what you normally use. Once Outlook is open, give it a second to fully load your inbox and folders. It's important to make sure everything is visible before moving to the next step, especially if your account is still syncing. Next, look for the Deleted Items folder. You'll usually find this in the folder list on the left-hand side of the screen. This folder stores emails that you've recently deleted, so if the message was removed by mistake, there's a good chance it will still be there. Go ahead and click on Deleted Items to open it. Now, take a moment to locate the email you want to restore. If there are a lot of messages in the folder, you may want to scan carefully by subject line, sender, or date. This can make it easier to find the exact message you need. Once you've found the item, click on it to select it. After selecting the email, click Restore. In Outlook, this option sends the message back to its original folder, which is often your inbox, unless it came from somewhere else. This is helpful because it puts the email back where it belongs, making it easier to continue working without having to reorganize it manually. If you don't immediately see the restored message, check your inbox or the folder where the email was originally stored. In some cases, it may take a moment to appear, especially if Outlook is syncing across devices. That's all it takes to recover deleted emails in Outlook. As a quick tip, if you're trying to recover something important, it's a good idea to restore it as soon as possible, since deleted items may not stay in that folder forever. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your email back quickly and easily.